All right, guys, what is going on? It's your man Mike. Welcome back to another edition of Mike's Tech Talk. And I got a quick video for you guys today. Just wanted to show you the 3 cases that I currently use with my iPhone XS Max. There are plenty of other cases out there. I'm really waiting on the LifeProof Free to come out because I always use a LifeProof with my iPhones just because that's never failed me in the past. But I wanted to show you guys what I'm rocking right now from the 2 that I got to the main one that I use. Now, all of these were bought off of Amazon. The prices range between $10.99 to $15.99. So let's get going first with the Spigen Tough Armor. I believe this is the Tough Armor. Might be the Rugged Armor. Spigen has quite a few armor names, but I believe this is the Tough Armor. And what you have is just a real simple one-piece case. Very nice and thin, a little carbon fiber texture at the top and the bottom, cut out for the Apple logo because you know you got to troll people, let them know what you're rocking. And you got this web pattern on the inside. Also has that air cushion technology that I've told you guys about in my previous videos with the Note 9 case. This is a black case, so it's kind of hard to see it, but trust me, it's there. And this is a very protective case. So let's pop it on the iPhone XS Max, and this is what it's going to look like. Now that Apple logo does show there is no screen protector there, so not going to get any protection. But it does hug the camera cut out really nice. I do appreciate that, because that is the one part of the back of the case or the back of the phone that does bulge out as opposed to the rest of it. So it is nice that it does hug that and give it a little bit of protection back there as well. Got a little bit of raisivity, as I've said in previous videos. You got a little bit of a raised edge. So you can put the phone face down. That's not going to be an issue. And we'll take that one off. We'll go with the next one, another Ringke case. Now, I really do appreciate their cases because for the price, I mean, you can get a Spigen case that looks just like this and it might cost you 40 bucks. This cost me $12.99. So we'll pop this one on there. Again, the back of the phone is going to be a little smudgy, so ignore that. But this is what that's going to look like, a nice clear case to show off that gold. Now, I like the black smoke on the outside and the gold on the back because I'm a Saints fan, so go Saints. And definitely, this is one of my favorites. Like how that looks. I like the contrast on the bezel of the gold there. It kind of shows off a little bit. So that is the Ring case. And lastly, I have the Supcase Unicorn Beetle. This isn't the Pro. The Pro has the holster and the screen protector. This is just a Unicorn Beetle. And you see this one is a little bit more tough looking. This is the one that I rock on a daily basis just because I do like how protective it is. It's got the raised bumpers in the corners, and it's got the clear part back here, but it's not gonna get scratched up really easily. You know, it's very, if you guys can hear that, it's very protective in the back. So, and again, you got that raised edge along the sides and along the top. One thing about the iPhones that I always will appreciate as opposed to a Samsung phone is that, don't get me wrong, I'm a big fan of the edge-to-edge display of the Note 9, S9, S8, you know, S7 Edge and everything. But I like a flat screen because I just feel like it's a little bit more protective when I put the case down. So that's just a personal preference, but that's what that's gonna look like. And Siri was trying to troll me. So like I said, just a couple of cases real quick for the iPhone XS Max. If you're looking at getting this phone, definitely recommend check out Amazon to find some good cheap cases that are going to be very protective for your device. In today's market and in today's world, there's no point in spending $50 to $60 on one case when you can take that same money and go to Amazon and rock out with 3 cases. All these cases cost me $35 altogether. So you can go rock out with your phone out with multiple cases for a good price as opposed to spending more money on one case than you would for anything else. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. Make sure you hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post my next one. What case are you using on your iPhone? What screen protector are you using on your iPhone if you're using one? As you guys see, I have screen protectors on some phones, but not on all of them. But I got my screen protector for the iPhone coming in, so I will be doing a video on that shortly. And yeah, this has been your man Mike with Mike's Tech Talk. Peace.